All right, guys. This is case three, box six. Case three, box six. This is the break, the third break listed on the calendar. It actually says number 2 in the title. It just means that version of the break. It's the second version, but still, third break. All right, let's see what we got in here. We have Steve Cishek, a gold, Sean Gilmartin, and Will Middlebrooks. Sorry. I cheated. I already seen it. We've got a 9.510. 9.510 of Gavin Cecchini. Oh, sorry. Garen Cecchini, 9.510. It's 9.5s across the board. Red Sox, box 6. And that was 395 of 500. All right, guys, here comes box 7. It's heavy.